Overdrafting your Cash App card is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Cash App provides a limited free overdraft service called free overdraft coverage for eligible users under specific circumstances. The maximum amount is up to $50, with the subject to change by Cash App. Eligible transactions apply only to Cash Card purchases, ATM withdrawals, and cashback transactions. Cash App won't charge any explicit overdraft fees. Not all Cash App users qualify for free overdraft coverage. Any negative balance incurred needs to be repaid from your next deposit. Cash App might also automatically transfer funds from a linked bank account to cover the overdraft if autopay is enabled. Maintaining an overdraft for more than 45 days can lead to account limitations or closure. Monitor your Cash App balance and avoid exceeding your available funds. Connect your bank account to Cash App for smoother transfers if needed. Consider using credit cards or other financial products designed for overdrafts, but exercise caution and be mindful of potential fees and interest rates.